welcome to Murica's Garage. I'm Troy.
I'm Nikita.
And do you want to explain to the 3 people watching this video what we're doing, what we're about?
All the shows that you see on Facebook and YouTube or TV in general are based on unrealistic garages.
They're realistic. They're
Yeah.
just
Unlimited funds, unlimited car parts.
not moonshine.
They get the car done in 3 days. That's funny.
Yeah.
This garage and the ones that we're going to be showcasing for everybody out there are based on true budgets. You know, you buy a part here and a part there and get the job done when the job is done.
Yeah. So this is my budget. It's my family income that we're kind of scraping over to this. I gotta read my notes. Yeah. That's how professional we are. We can't memorize stuff. So we're gonna give credit where credit is due. Anything that we buy, a couple of reviews that we have, is the stuff that we're starting to record with.
Right.
Now, if I could quit stuttering, this would be such a great show.
That would be awesome.
All right.
Can you start that?
What?
Okay.
Yes. This shirt, this guy's pretty cool. He made me this shirt. So we're gonna put some links below. The Summit Racing, like the Google, the Summit Racing. Summit Racing is where we buy some of our parts, some of the tools that we're utilizing, some of the procedures that we're doing. We're going to review those for you and give you the true, nature of how it's working for us. We're not professional car builders, but we learn everything we know from our father, who's been in the car business he's old.
For a while.
So,
it's been a while.
Yeah. So anyway, everything we've done, it's going to be done professional and at a professional level, but it's going to be done at our budget and our experience. Some of the shows that you see out there, like she was saying, is they've just got unlimited resources. Well, we don't have that, and most of you don't have that source either. So let's be real. All right. So what else? That's the boring stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now that we've got the boring stuff over, what else?
We are going to be talking about this car back here.
Right. So it's a 1969 Buick GS400, and
it needs to be ready for a cruise in 2020, the summer of 2020. We are going to be driving this sucker all the way from this garage here, all through some of our original Route 66 tours and quite a bit of Arizona, which we all know Arizona is tough on these old cars.
How many cars are we gonna have? So
6.
we're gonna announce that in the future. Yeah, we're gonna have a number of cars, but when we get closer to the date, if you all car people want to join us, we're gonna throw that out there and let you know. But it's gonna be about a year. So we're gonna go from East Coast to
West Coast.
Right. So this car's got to be ready. Let's see what else. Oh, there is nothing original on this car. Well,
Just the body. I mean, the shape of it. The shape is original.
Yeah. Other than that, nothing else. So the other thing we want to talk about is we did a lot of work before this. So
You ready to tell everybody what you did?
in one breath.
Let's do it.
All right, hold on. Let's do it. You're not doing anything. Talk about. All right, you ready? So before we start the YouTube channel, the Facebook channel, the Facebook group, Murica's Garage, and Murica's Garage. I can't even say it. MuricasGarage.com.
Stop stuttering.
I'm stuttering. Troy, that doesn't even
No.
make sense. Okay, ready?
Yes.
In one breath. All right, here's what we've done, and you've seen some videos, real quick videos of what it looked like, but I'm going to rattle off some stuff. We took the car apart, made a body lift, lifted the body, removed the engine, cleaned the frame, sealed the frame, primed the frame, painted the frame, rebuilt the rear differential, made up our own brake system for parts, and I can't do it. Used some parts from the junkyard, installed new upper control arms, boxed the frame, made new lines, made a serpentine system from junkyard parts, checked the engine timing, installed new front oil pump, found 2012 Buick wheels that fit with a little modification, and probably a lot more that I don't even remember at the moment because I didn't sit there and type them all. So.
All right. Well, that is our main project, but it's not our only project. We also have a 1965 Buick Skylark.
Yes, convertible.
Convertible. So what is going to happen with that?
So we're going to bring this convertible in, and we're going to show you really quick. It'll be a small video. Nikita will be helping me. we're going to do this gentleman a favor. We're not even going to charge him. We are going to convert his system to full synthetic. There's a very special product out there that is perfect. We're going to call it Hot Rod Secret. We'll let you know what it's really called in the future. But the product is perfect for any of your old vehicles that do not have to deal with emissions. And that camera just screwed up our video.
Yeah, it did.
I wonder if it's still recording.
You want me to look?
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to fix some problems on it. It's an all original with the exception of the paint color and the fact that it was stolen years ago. This car has been in the family since 1965, since it was brand new. The changes were the color was changed from some sort of green to red, so it's a hot red convertible.
Okay.
And there was some repairs done, but other than that, it's original. So we're going to fix some parts on it for the guy.
Awesome. Along with our projects, we also want to see what you guys are doing in your garages across Murica. Send us videos, pictures, tell us a little bit about what you're doing. Maybe we can find people to help you. Who knows? Let us know what you're doing in your garage. I don't know.
We can't even help ourselves. It's crazy. All right. And we're also going to give a shout out to some of the companies and the charities out there. Just it's the ones that we personally like and what they're doing. We don't get anything from it. We're not collecting any money, and we're not asking you to send any money. Just check them out and see what you think.
The dual shout out today goes to USMC Racing. Would you like to tell us about them?
Sure. They are a group of current soldiers, veterans. Current soldiers. They help veterans. Actually, they help all of your hometown heroes, first responders, soldiers, so on and so forth. What they have is they have a unique outlook on putting individuals that are suffering from PTSD or maybe have injuries. They put them in a race car, and it's not the same driver every time. It's usually a different driver. And recently, they have one set of hands-free controls for amputees.
Awesome.
Okay. So they've got another. They recently got another car. So they're trying to run 2 cars. They need another set of hand controls.
All right.
What's the other one?
Our other charity is going to be Chive Charities.
Chive Charities. They're similar in nature, but they look at and they do research for, and you can nominate somebody for. Maybe they need some assistance. Maybe they need a community park for some children that are disabled. They've done it before. They've also done things like raise money for a van for transportation for those kids. And they also support, again, your wounded veterans and your first responders. So check them out.
Awesome. And with that, that is our first introductory video.
First one.
Hit us up, like us, share us. Don't like us, badmouth us. It's all good.
Check us out, Murica Garage.
Murica
We'll
Garage.
get t-shirts and contests started shortly. Thanks.
Yep.